G'day folks, Conor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video. And today we're doing the top 5 reasons to get the Pixel 6a. Before, links down below, links here, there, everywhere, of the top 5 reasons the Pixel 6a sucks balls. But now the top 5 reasons to get it. Before I get started, if you like this video at any stage, hit the like button. If you really like this video and you want to help me out, hit the thank you button and donate me enough money to buy a cup of coffee. We all know coffee is my water, I live for it, and I occasionally need a little bit of help to run the channel. So hit the thank you button and buy me a coffee. All right, enough of that. Let's get into it. The number one reason I think the Pixel 6a is the best, and that is the size of it. 6.1 inch phone, 6-inch display. I absolutely love the size of it. For most things, I can use it one-handed. It's easy to manage. And then you have that one-handed mode, which is fantastic as well. I really appreciate the size of it. I know a lot of people don't. They want a big display for everything. And some people have like these massive baseball mitts for hands, and they want like tablets for phones. I don't. I generally just want a small phone that I can slip in my pocket, fire off some text messages, post something on Instagram, you know, like I'm not doing major stuff with it. If I do want to watch content, it's good enough. So for me, the size is perfect, especially if you're active. For me, it cuts it, it does the job nicely. I really like the size of it. Number 2 reason why I think the Pixel 6a is the best, and that is the software. This software is smooth. For me, it is problem-free. It is reliable. It is bare bones. I just get what I need on it, and I can add the extras as required. Not like a Samsung phone where you get all the extras in there whether you want them or not. I can download any app I want to make this phone do more than what it does. But for me, it does everything I need it to. I am really stoked with the software. It's got a few little tweaks here and there, and links down below to a video on the top 5 settings to change now for your Pixel 6a. This can be really helpful in getting the most out of your phone. But for me, it's great. But for me, it's about efficiency and getting things done quickly. I mean, with the dictation and the live translate and all these extra features that you get, especially with the camera as well, and like deleting people from the background on your photos and all the excellent software features in the camera and editing after you've taken a photo. There is just so many features that I love in the software. It's legendary. I love it. Now, the next one, a lot of people don't talk about, but I think it's important to recognize the performance. It's hard to beat the performance of the Pixel 6a and the Tensor chip. Now, it does only have 6 gigs of RAM, but it performs like a phone with 12 gigs of RAM with that Tensor chip. And I'll link to a video somewhere where Juan Bagnell did some tests on it, and it was cutting through video as fast as any other phone. It was amazing what it was doing. And this is at a price point of 750 Aussie dollars and 450 US dollars. So the performance, it's as good as any phone at any price point. I do think the 6 Pro is up there as well, but for me that phone's just way too big, and for the price, this phone is where it needs to be. Number 6, you idiot. Number 4 on my top 5 reasons the Pixel 6a is the best, and that is the camera. This thing is so good for the price. And like we all know it's an older sensor, we all know it's an older camera, but at this price, it still takes the best photos you're going to get, and the video is not bad either. You do get 4K 60, 4K 30, and 1080p 60 and 30, slow-mo mode. And then for the photography, you get night sight, portrait mode, and the normal camera mode. And the pictures are amazing for most phones, but especially at this price point. The camera is amazing. I think it's the best camera that you can get for the price. You won't be disappointed. Now, the last one is a bit of an all-rounder, and I just mentioned it then, and I mentioned it earlier in the video, and that is the price of the Pixel 6a. Now, I'm going to talk in 2 currencies here, because there's my currency, which none of you care about, and then there's the currency that most of the world lives off, and that's the US dollar. So for the US, it's $450. What that equates to, I don't really know. But I know here in Australia, where flagship phones are between $1,500 and $2,000, and here we have a $750 mid-ranger with the best camera, the best software, the best performance. It's just brilliant what you get for the price here. The iPhone 13, $1,400. Pixel 6a, $750. The Galaxy S22, $1,350. The Pixel 6a, $750. That's all in Aussie dollars, and you cannot deny that you're getting a pretty comparative deal, but for half the price, or almost half the price. So there's my top 5 reasons to get the Pixel 6a. The size, the software, the performance, the camera, and the price. Thank you for watching. If you think this phone sucks, go watch my 5 reasons the Pixel 6a sucks balls video, links here, and that'll give you something to be happy about. But if you do like this phone or you're thinking about getting it, I highly recommend it. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you really liked it, hit the thank you button. Buy me coffee. Coffee is my water. I love yous all, and catch yous in the next video. Check out.